Hello guys, in this video we are going to compare Remnote and Quizlet, its pros and cons and its full overview. So here in the left side we'll have our Remnote, in the other hand we'll have our Quizlet. So basically here in their landing page you have your study tools which focuses mostly on flashcards, learning, study guides and tests, and expert solutions. While their subjects right here contain exams, arts, humanity, language, math, science, social sciences, and others right here. So basically, I think here in the community of Remno, there is much more than just that. So as you can see right here, you have MCAT, LSAT, SATs, and even GREs. So this is more in-depth rather than your own Quizlet. So it's just a more of a not really that in-depth as you can see in Remnote, which has even a bigger community where you can explore a lot of topics, not unlike your Quizlet. So I'll give your Remnote for 1 point for that. And as you can see right here, it is not categorized as well. You're gonna have to filter down its topics to one. Unlike here in your Remnote, so let's just go back to Remnote. Here in Remnote, you can actually categorize it already by going to medicine, computer science, law, psychology, and many much more. So when we go back down here, you will see they both have flashcards, of course. So the flashcards are the main focus here in Quizlet, not unlike in Remnote, where you can do a lot of things and you can even unlock exclusive study made materials for exam, but you'll have, of course, to pay for that. So here you have pricing, and it's around, let's just say $4 a month for this Pro. This will be billed annually for around $49. And then you even have your lifelong learner for around $500. This is a one-time purchase only. So here you can get started. So they have PDF animations, image calculations, tables and templates, and exam scheduler and file uploads. You even have here in your lifelong learner plan your all pro desktop features forever and unlimited file uploads for 5 years. That is a great guarantee for your lifelong learner. Unlike here in Quizlet, I don't think I can find it just yet for pricing. So you will have to actually go down right here. But I have one thing that's not in Remnote right here. I noticed there is no AI tutors unlike your Remnote. So maybe they'll have to work on that. So we'll just try to find the pricing right here. I don't think you can find the pricing for here as much as your Remnote, so they don't focus on pricing. They would want you to just use it for free, and mostly this is gonna be, like I said, just for flashcards, learning, and study guides, unlike Remnote, which has a lot to go with it. As you can see, they even have solutions for by field of study, even by profession. So this is more a professional approach rather than going your Quizlet, which is more like for primary or middle age students only. So Remnote for adults, I guess. So for my verdict, I would choose Remnote rather than Quizlet in this video because Remnote has a lot more to go with rather than your Quizlet. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.